Hello everyone, so I'm here in the beautiful skies of Nairobi. This is the view from my first room and this is my second room. Why two rooms? Because I was in Nairobi for 2 days. There is a story why did I got this leave for 2 days, which I'm going to talk about in some time.
सॉरी एक खाने नहीं जाएंगे सिर्फ
चिकन और एग ही खाओ
But I don't eat मगरमच्छ.
नहीं मैं नहीं लेके जा रहा he has some idea so I don't
Only chicken.
I don't mind
Not crocodile. No crocodile piece.
वेज नहीं मिलेगा चलेगा
एग और चिकन जिधर रहेगा आएंगे
खा ले लड़की खा ले.
वो भी हो रहा है साथ में साथ.
क्या कर रही है तू?
मैं बोल रहा हूँ एक पोर्शन कितना बड़ा होता है 5 प्लेट में आपका पेट भर जाएगा I'm telling you because I always noticed all the international places we go na the portions are very big
इस्तांबुल में भी वेंट टू दैट
उसमें पूरा खाना खत्म नहीं होने वाला टेबल पर गारंटी
I can eat पनीर का फ्राई चल जाएगा.
नहीं होगा
ये मटन भी खत्म कर दो ना ये आए
हो जाओ तो कैप्टन खाता हो जाएगा क्या?
अदरवाइज पैक करवा लीजिए
आई डोंट ईट मटन और उसमें ले
मटन ना
No, I don't.
चिकन ले लो ना यहाँ से
हां लेंगे तू चिकन ले लो
ईट मटन ना
दैट्स द रीजन जो ऑर्डर चिकन ले लो
चिकन है ये.
लो ये वाला. ये वाला पीस ले लो.
ये देखो चिकन कबाब आ गया
कबाब ये देख
आया. We ordered only
Thank you. But we didn't order this with the mutton one.
No, it's okay.
हाँ तो क्या
बट ले लिया है
और
रिफा एक पीस दे
क्या वाला?
सुन ना इसमें से ले ले, इसमें से ले ले.
हां रुक नहीं हम लोग इसको हाफ हाफ करते हैं
अरे वो बेचारी खा ही नहीं. जब भी तोड़ रही कोई ना कोई कुछ बोल रहा है.
तुम भी खा सकते
Hi guys. So usually I vlog but I don't talk. So I am here in Nairobi finally out. So we just ate in some mall here. Now we are planning to go somewhere else. I so wanted to go to Safari but again the plan cancelled because most of the crew members have already been there and I could not go. So maybe next time when I'm here in Kenya. But now I might show you some other places. So we have all these Indian dresses here in the mall.
पूरा गाड़ी का ले लो कौन सी गाड़ी थी आज आप खड़े हो जाओ फोटो में मैं गाड़ी का फोटो ले रहा हूँ नंबर का 39
हाँ चल. 1,
मेरे जैसे करेगा वो आगे बैठे
3.
जो मेरे जैसे
1,
करेगा
2,
वो आगे
3.
बैठे ये आगे बैठे
अबे.
that is a slum.
no big one
This is just a
only this much no no
This side is different.
oh
Now
they walk over here
yeah, the funny thing with
Reacted. I said I didn't feel the need to react afterwards. I said
all right आगे
आ गए. वो बीच में एक और L2 मिली थी ऐसे. बस I am.
Thing is getting recorded.
Oh cow.
So this R1 and
This is R1 who have become R1 after 1 year, and these people are just roasting me since yesterday.
because we do not get chance, no. So this Arvin and my L2 who does not want to come in the video.
मेरा छोटी बच्ची हो गई ना, वो अभी 11 साल की नहीं होती।
She can keep stuff. No one is like.
असली सोना 24 कैरेट गोल्ड
हैं 24 कैरेट
गाइस
in Miniso.
सीरम
Wow, this will go on your face.
Hey, ये दिलाना मेरे को.
चुप रहे.
और अपने आप ऐसे ग्लो हो रहा है
मैं लिखा डू नॉट टच मी,
कहाँ लिखा है?
देखा था चला गया।
Touch me not.
पिया क्या
Here in Village Market, it's kind of a mall which is in city. After this, I may go to City Market, which is in the village. So I might show you that.
मैं जेड्डा से ज़्यादा दुबई की
Yay!
नहीं है कि वॉशरूम बहुत गंदे थे.
Huh?
This is good.
I told
Can I
you.
please try?
My choice is always nice. No one believed me.
तो उसने कोक किया किधर?
कोक तो सर कोक ही होता है ना,
नहीं,
उसमें
यहाँ
क्या
का
चॉइस?
पानी अलग है।
कुछ भी. कैप्टन था पल्पी
telling
ऑरेंज
you.
पी के देखो, यहाँ का फिर पल्पी
You
ऑरेंज भी
drink
अलग है.
coke in
Hello sir, you are
good?
late by 6 minutes. क्या है बोली तू?
You are late by 6 minutes. बोलो ना. Door,
now
close
the
door.
ladies are saying we
On
go to
time
hotel.
departure. No, no, कैप्टन आपको जाने का है ना, उधर चलो जाते
नहीं
हैं.
वहाँ क्या करना है?
No,
What
no.
is नहीं genuinely, what is the market? What is there?
The market is
Thank
closed,
you.
but there is a supermarket near the.
My earbuds.
City market ना?
No, this is called this is what
भाई.
This is city market. It's
City
closed,
market.
already closed.
close. And now we are going to village.
Near the hotel.
It's called?
There is a mall.
City mall ना?
City, no, we don't want to go to mall, na?
Yeah, that is a mall.
No. Then let.
They normally park
Then
the fruit.
you are okay to go back to the hotel?
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah, obviously.
नहीं इधर मेरे को आज से
So there's a-
स्टोर मिला लेकिन बंद था.
So there's a change in the
देखो
plan.
बाद में फिर
I will not show you.
today
No
you have the
capture.
opportunity to
not
have.
showing anything else. I just show you Crown Plaza.
Captain today no
बैठी
one
थी
is
ना कॉलोनी मार्केट
So
में.
nothing is gonna.
ऐसा
I'm very
There's
much
a change.
comfortable
बाद में
with this.
कभी.
मैं
So
बुफे में
there's a
बैठी
change in
हूँ.
the plan. I'm not going to show you the
वैसे होता ही
city
नहीं वो
market
ऐसे
because
बैठने
we're not going to go there.
पता भी नहीं लगता कि
Because
Going
ऐसा
back to the
तुम्हारा
hotel
कभी
today.
आएगा ना कि अगले दिन आप डेडेड जाए।
नहीं भाई कैप्टन चल.
प्यारी हवा आ रही है.
अरे बहुत हवा.
अगर दूसरों पे जा रहे हैं,
हाँ चलते ना.
No, wear something full.
हाँ exactly, आप just wear some, something warm, maybe trouser
Yeah,
or
it is too
a good pant
ठंडी
and
ठंडी है.
jacket.
कुछ दिखानी तो मेरे को बता देना.
हाँ चलेगा. हाँ बताओ जानना है मुझे.
बेड का ऐसा कुछ नहीं है रे. जस्ट द थिंग इज कि मुझे वो डोर के पास सोने से डर लगता है.
वाह.
So what happens is hotel rooms में I always come and prefer this bed which is beside the window. So she is asking me ki why.
No, because whenever I go on a layovers, no, so I prefer that side of the bed which has a phone बाजू में, telephone.
Ah,
वैसे तो
हाँ.
वैसा.
अच्छा. You do not have the preference of the door and the window, right?
As it?
As in you do not want a bed which is beside the door or beside the window.
Me, I'm fine by that. I just even if I have a phone and everything here, no, I'm fine with this. ऐसे. मतलब it is easy ना to access
हाँ.
ऐसे फटाक से.
हाँ, but I cannot transfer also this there.
No, I don't want it. No, I'm talking about domestic layovers. And my special preference is switch.
Switch?
Switch has
Yes.
to be there by the side.
Yes. And even I cannot sleep with all the lights off. But still, we do not have lights there, so we'll have to keep that one on.
Hey, ma'am.
My day was perfect because I just wanted to go and breathe outside air in Nairobi.
Which
I
you
have
did.
been here one, yes. And on international layovers, most of us, most of the crew, we always prefer to go out at least once, right? So I also wanted to go out in Nairobi, and I was talking in some of my vlogs that maybe I would go to safari one day, which was not possible even today, but maybe next time for sure. I have the number of the agent as well now. No, I do not have it.
You're going to take it tomorrow.
Yes. I have one agent's number though.
Oh.
So that's going to happen. Now, this is my second consecutive day in Nairobi. But no, we were not lucky because I am here because we had an aborted takeoff. So I want to talk about this because this is something interesting, right? So everything was set where all passengers were on board. Everything was done. We are all ready for takeoff. During the takeoff roll, it's just going to happen now. During the takeoff roll,
Just going to?
I'll just finish it now. So while we were about to take off, so we call it takeoff roll, aircraft is at full speed, and then we just have a little bounce and full speed brake. We were unaware as to what has happened. This was very uncommon. I have never seen it. My colleagues have never seen it. My lead, who is in the company for the last 12 years, has never seen it. And something very unexpected happened that the captain announced. Attention crew at stations, which is an extreme case, and we were all prepared. Okay, something is gonna happen now. Something might happen. So aircraft came to a complete halt, and we were waiting for further instructions from the captain. Everybody was scared. Passengers were looking at us. So I was R2. My allocation was R2 on this flight, and I was facing the passengers. I was sitting in the aft, facing the passengers, and everybody was looking back at my face and saying like, "What's going on?" I'm like, I am also scared. I don't know. And then the captain announced that everybody to remain seated, which is a sign, which is an indication that everything is fine and under control. We had a bud hit on the engine, and the engine was totally damaged. We were told to move back to the parking bay for further inspections of the aircraft. So the inspection was going on continuously. They were in conversation, and finally, like after an hour or so, the passengers were told to be deplaned. And then after that, we crew members and captains, we were there at the aircraft for 7 hours, and we were in hopes that okay, the engine would get repaired and we are going to go back in the same aircraft. Though I did not want it to, but then yes, they decided that this aircraft cannot go. The damage was severe. Luckily, nothing happened. Everything is fine. And this happened on ground. That's why it is fine. And because of that, we got another layover, another day here in Nairobi. So yesterday, I did not do anything. Today, I went out. So after this happened, captain said that captain is local from here. So he said that he's going to take us out for lunch, all the team, all the crew members. So he took us out for lunch. We went after that we went to one mall, though I did not shop anything because I'm not interested in shopping as such. But yes, this was a little story time as to what I'm doing here in Nairobi for the second consecutive day, which is nice as well. But I did not like the reason for me being here. But yes, so tomorrow we are not operating. My set of crew, we are going deadheading, meaning we are deadheading as a passenger on the flight back to Mumbai. That was it. That is my small Nairobi layover. You will not see any lions in this layover as well, but that's okay. I'll take your leave now. Bye. चल गया क्या? हम लोग सेम लोग जो रोज सेम मंगाते हैं.
तुम लोग का टेस्ट होने ही नहीं दूंगा मैं. बट सर हमारे हाथ में कुछ
मूसल चटनी का खाना चाहिए. Many people are a fan of momos, but I am not. कई बार गाली पड़ती है. I have tried it in Delhi and Guwahati. Still, I do not like it. So no, I'm not a momo person. And yes, the bad luck continues. As I have spoken in the last clip, maybe, as to I was there in Nairobi that time, and we were about to head back to Bombay because we could not take off before that. So yes, we were able to catch that direct flight. Everything went very well. We were like, okay, now finally we are going to land back in Bombay, and we were eager to come back after like 2 long days. But somehow in Bombay, I was not aware of it. The weather changed. It was all storm, there was no visibility. So as soon as the landing time approached, nothing was visible and the captain could not land. And we were diverted to Ahmedabad. So after I guess a multiple tries of landing approach in Mumbai, captain decided that they will divert the flight to Ahmedabad. So to be very honest, in the last 2 years since I am in Indigo, since I am flying, I have never experienced diversion. Yes, never. So this was my first diversion experience, and then we were about to get diverted to Ahmedabad, where we were about to almost land, but we could not land. Same reason, because of the weather conditions in Bombay as well as in Ahmedabad. I guess in most of the cities or places in Maharashtra was affected by storm, I guess. And winds, there was a lot of winds everywhere. We were not able to land in Ahmedabad. Now this aircraft was coming from Nairobi. It was a long 6-hour journey. We tried to land in Bombay, not possible. We tried to land in Ahmedabad, not possible, could not land. So I was thinking I might be wrong, but then fuel also comes in picture, right? Such a long flight. So though I know that things will be okay, whatever happens, but then yes, you are a human being. Being an air hostess also, you are a human being and you can panic, right? So my set of crew was deadheading. Deadheading meaning we were coming as a passenger. We were sitting, we were not operating that flight. And while all this was happening, we were just guessing whether we could land now, this approach, can we make it to the landing or not, basis on what we could see outside the window. And even if we see outside the window, we could not see anything. There was no visibility at all, even in Ahmedabad. So in Ahmedabad, the landing gears were out. So we were about to land. The aircraft is coming down and down and down, and we were like, okay, now we are going to land. But it was an aborted landing because there was no clear visibility, and the aircraft went up again. We were just exchanging glances with other crew members and we were looking like, what's gonna happen now? Then finally, after some time, captain announced that we are going to land in Vadodara. And luckily we were able to land there. But after that, after doing a 6 hours flight, now all these passengers and us are supposed to go to Bombay. We were not able to land there. We had landed in Vadodara. All these passengers were supposed to go back to Bombay. Because this crew has operated that flight, long flight, and us, we were not legal to operate Vadodara to Bombay back. We had to wait for other crew members to come. Because the weather was not nice, it was a little difficult to arrange crew members who were legal to operate the flight. And there was a halt or a delay of almost 6 to 7 hours. So along with all the passengers, crew members, we all were sitting in the aircraft at Vadodara for 6 to 7 hours. So this happens rarely, but yes, all the passengers were super sweet and understanding. Yes, they wanted to go out of the aircraft, but it was not possible because we were coming from an international destination and we could not leave the aircraft. We could not even go to the airport and exit the lounge because you need to do immigration, and immigration customs are not available in Vadodara. because of that reason we could not even go out. None of the passengers could go out in Vadodara, in the airport also. So we were waiting, sitting in the aircraft. The weather was so bad that when the aircraft was on ground, all parked, chocks on, still it was shaking because of the winds. The entire aircraft, such a huge machine, so much weight, everybody inside, all the luggage is inside, cargo is full, still it was shaking like anything. We were feeling like we are doing a pushback maybe, because it was shaking so much. So the winds were really bad, the weather was bad, but yes, after 6 to 7 hours the crew arrived, captains arrived, and we were able to take off again for Bombay. Weather was all good by then, so no problem with the weather by the time we took off from there and landed in Bombay safely. So Nairobi to Bombay, I was supposed to land somewhere around 3 p.m. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but because of all the diversion and delays and everything, so I landed in the morning at 2:30. Reached home by somewhere around 4 o'clock. Came and slept. So roughly calculating, so we got ready and we left the hotel in Nairobi somewhere around 5 o'clock Nairobi time. Nairobi is 2.5 hours ahead of us or behind us. Okay, so Nairobi is 2.5 hours behind us, behind India. So somewhere around 7:30 we left the airport, India time. We left for the airport in Nairobi, and from 7:30 all the way in the morning, how many hours in? So let's say 7:30 in the morning we left India time, and then we were supposed to land in the afternoon 3 o'clock, but I came home at around 2 o'clock, 2:30 in the morning. Well, 19 hours. So somewhere around, roughly I'm saying 19 hours we were in the aircraft. So we were out, just deduct 2 hours from there, 15 hours, let's say 15 hours we were in the aircraft. 6 hours long flight, diversion, delay. Okay, so all this time we were in the aircraft. Such a long flight. So yes, after all this, I am back here. I am well rested. My flight was there today for Bangalore back, but that was taken off because I was not legal for that. I have 4 sectors day after tomorrow. I am all fresh now, but then yes, this fatigue is there kind of. Though I have not operated in this all 15 hours, but mentally you get drained, right? If all these things are happening. And yes, company is giving me rest for that. So yes, thank you so much. This is my Nairobi vlog, which I'm gonna upload very, very soon. I hope you like it, the story time. I know I'm not very good at telling stories. I just go round and around, but maybe you'll understand. Thank you. Bye. So I just realized in all my vlogs, I do not do the outro properly. Just bye. Last clip also I just said bye because I thought that was going to be the end clip of this vlog, but no, things happened after that as well, and I wanted to add in the same video. So now I'll do the outro properly. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you like it. I will create such story time, such vlogs as much as I can, and if you like it, please tell me in the comment section below. Consider subscribing if you like it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.